Greetings to all. French Treats is glad to have facilitated thousands of learners for various exams and levels ranging from DELF, DALF to TEF, TCF through our successful globally conducted live online classes. We also facilitate recorded lecture series. Whether you are a previously enrolled learner or new at French Treats, start your French journey effectively and affordably with our comprehensive recorded lecture series available to all the curious learners waiting to learn the French language, and that too at a reasonable cost. Lectures conducted by Francophone native experts are brought to you exclusively in the recording form. Whether you are a working professional or a student, get access to these recordings anytime, anywhere, and start learning with us. Enroll now and get quick access to e-learning material provided on the website www.frenchtreats.ca. Commence your French journey with us today. The A2 recorded lecture video series covers a plan of following topics across 21 sessions. Check out the plan and get a clear understanding of all that you will be learning during this wonderful immersion of French A2 level, covering all 4 competencies: reading, listening, writing, and speaking topics. Practice makes perfect. Along with comprehensive videos, you get a lot of grammar exercises. And to test your learning, we have planned an evaluation too.